Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the clutch lever of V-Strom 250SX. So this is a simple DIY and you can simply open this nut. There is one nut for our side mirror. I've opened that whole assembly and you don't have to do anything. You just need to keep it like that, and this will, and you need to put this rubber on the outer side so your clutch lever will be accessible. So what happened in the last ride, this clutch lever got broken due to one crash. So I'm replacing it with OEM part, which is around 116 rupees. You can see this is the part number. This is the part number, and it was manufactured in 2nd 2025. So good thing is that it is very cheap, and to replace this you don't have to do anything. There is one nut over here, and if I can show you, this is the nut. ये जो nut है, इसको you have to open this nut and this lever will come out, and there is one this is the clutch wire, so you need to remove this, and there is one cylindrical washer in it in this nut, so you need to remove that cylindrical washer. And because this lever doesn't come with that cylindrical washer, it fits over here, and that's it. You can just put this nut back and your clutch is good to go. So this is simple DIY for clutch lever replacement of V-Strom 250SX. I hope this video is useful for you guys, because I did not find any useful video on YouTube, so I thought to share this information with you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.